a world where technological advances are made every day, where information is obtained in real time, it is increasingly important to have the tools that allow us to develop and communicate our ideas faster and more accurately. MakerMex has developed and manufactured the first Mexican 3D printer using resin and featuring DLP technology that consists of resin hardening by ultraviolet light. This technology allows the user to generate objects with a higher resolution than the FDM method of 3D printing using plastics. Through the projection of pixels, the design is captured layer by layer, achieving a resolution with up to 5 times more definition. This printer allows printing parts that require high precision and detail, which 3D FDM printers simply cannot achieve. 3D MUV. What are you making today?